Parts of speech. Number 1. Noun. Welcome to today's lecture on nouns. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of nouns, their types, and other important details. Let's get started. First, let's define what a noun is. A noun is a word that identifies a person, place, thing, or idea. It's one of the fundamental building blocks of the English language. Now look at the examples of common nouns. Common nouns represents general or non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. For instance, words like dog, city, book, and happiness are all common nouns. They refer to things in a general sense. On the other hand, we have proper nouns. Proper nouns refer to specific individuals, places, organizations, or titles. They are always capitalized. Examples include John, Paris, Google, and President. These nouns help identify specific entities. Nouns can also be classified as concrete or abstract. Concrete nouns represent things that can be perceived through the sense. For example, table, car, apple, and music are all concrete nouns. We can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste these things. On the other hand, abstract nouns represent concepts, qualities, or ideas that cannot be perceived through the senses. Examples include love, freedom, courage, and knowledge. These nouns deal with intangible concepts. Nouns can also be categorized as countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be counted and have singular and plural forms. For instance, tree has singular form, while trees is its plural form. Similarly, chair becomes chairs in the plural form. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, cannot be counted and do not have a separate plural form. Examples include water, happiness, rice, and information. We can say waters or informations to refer to more than one. Another type of noun is the collective noun. Collective nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things as a single entity. Examples of collective nouns include team, flock, family, and herd. These nouns help us describe a collective group. Let's also explore compound nouns. Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words to create a new word. Examples of compound nouns are basketball, sunflower, thunderstorm. These nouns help us express specific ideas or concepts. Lastly, we have possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or possession. They are formed by adding an apostrophe and s to the noun. For instance, Sarah's book or the cat's tail are examples of possessive nouns. These nouns help us indicate who something belongs to. And that's a wrap on noun types. We covered common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, and possessive nouns. Understanding these types will strengthen your grasp of the English language. Remember, nouns are essential for clear communications. So, continue practicing and spotting different noun types in your daily conversations and readings. Thank you for watching.